Welcome back to Rispa's kitchen. Today I'll show you how I prepare my Kienyeji chicken. Now this kind of chicken you may need to boil it a bit depending on the toughness. Mine not being very tough, I added only 1.5 cups of water to it to make it tender a bit. You may need to adjust your water depending on the toughness of your chicken. So I added salt at this point. This is because I always want that flavor to get right through the bones, and if I do it at this particular point, I always achieve that result. I also added some ginger and garlic paste and roughly chopped onions. So I'm going to cover this lid to let it continue boiling until all the water is drained as I continue preparing the other spices. So I'll need some sauce in that chicken. I am going to use tomatoes and the bell peppers, which I am going to blend together. Okay, I have blended it already, and as you can see, I am not going to sieve it. I want to use it the way it is. So I'm going to transfer this into another pot so that it can cook slowly. So I have transferred it to a different pot. I had heated some oil on that pot, so I'll just let that cook for a while. I will also use some of my favorite spices: curry powder, roiko, garam masala, and I also added turmeric powder because I want to achieve a certain color. You may also add a pinch of salt, but if you don't like too much salt, you may just leave it like that, since we already boiled our chicken with some salt and roiko also has some salt in it. I'll just cover this and let it simmer a bit. My meat is tender enough. I am going to add some oil to it because I realized that my chicken is not very oily. There are those that are very oily that don't need extra oil being added to it. So I'll just cover the lid. I'll keep flipping it on each side until I achieve the desired brownness. That's the beauty of using the double grill pan. You can always flip. We're also going to fry our onions separately. Remember to use very little oil because we used oil in the sauce and also in the chicken, but we are not going to brown the onions. So we just let it cook until soft, and then you turn off the heat. Our chicken has achieved the desired brownness. So first I am going to add the onions. Remember we had fried them separately, so I'm going to spread it through. Next I'm going to pour in our sauce. About 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to finish off and we are going to put our coriander. Once you put it, you just turn off the heat and your chicken will be ready to serve. One more tip: if you don't have a helper in the kitchen, make sure you have the sauce, the fried onions before you start frying the chicken. That way it will be very easy for you to incorporate them. Thank you. Remember to subscribe. See you in my next video.